YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the soft shoes that my wife copped. There are like 3 different pairs in here. The subtotal is $314.95 minus a $25 discount. And then the shipping is $8.01. And then the tax is $23.18. So the total damage is $321.14. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so they also give you a return shipping label. This one is the Sakura Forest Green. And this one is $111.40. That's with the tax and partial shipping. Right here is discoloration during the shipping. Something that rub against it, got a lighter green right here. So this is like a rubberized material with the floral design. Oh my god. Gotta tell my wife to return this. What the heck is this? I saw so many scratches and scuffs. It's like a used one. Oh, display. Look at this too. And right here, a whole bunch of scratch. Right here. What is that? And right here you got the rear pull tab. Yeah, this pair. No good. I got a scratch right there too. Yeah, a lot of you gonna say, "Oh, it's the shoes. You gotta scratch up anyway." No. Paying $100-something for this pair. Expect brand new. Scratch over here. Here. But people have their long fingernail, or even right here too. Or maybe doing manufacture, because shoes on the bottom right here on the outsole is not dirty or anything, so yeah, this one maybe you gotta return it. And then check out this one. This one is the Sally. $100.52 with the partial shipping and tax and everything. So made in Cambodia. Maybe this cardboard is prevent from getting scratched. Go ahead and check out the last one. This one's Tatum. And it is $109.22 with the partial shipment included, and then tax. Scratch here. Something right here doesn't come out. Oh, it comes off. I don't know, the quality is very bad. Maybe because of this color or something, I don't know. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.